Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to in SQL. So these are the operators in SQL. So before that, we will try to understand single value operators. So all these operators are single value operators, and there are many different other single valued operators. First, we will try to understand what is the single valued operators. Single value operators make logical tests against single values. So whenever a logical test is made against single value, then those operators are called. So it is capable of making only a logical test against single values. Such kind of operators are called as single value operators, and these operators are used in where class. For example, if you take select star from students where salary is equal to 300. So this is a single valued operator because it is making the logical test. So it is making, this operator is making the logical test against one value. So it is a equal to is a single valued single value operator. So the following are the different single value operators, single value test operators that are available in SQL. It is equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, and not equal to have many other forms. One of the form is cap equal to is also not equal to, and the other one is less than and greater than symbol side by side. So this is also another form of not equal to. We can use either this or this. Any of this operator can be used for not equal to. So make a note of it. And the other operators are like, see here, like is another single valued attribute. So about this like is null and not null. So the other kind of attributes is null and not null. About this like is null and not null, we will try to understand in our later class. In this class, we will try to understand about these basic operators, and we are very much familiar about these operators. Let's make a test of all these operators on our compiler. So on our compilers here this is our table, students, which we are covering from the last classes, last 4 to 5 classes we are covering. We have used this students table in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description. Now this is the query with the use of single value attribute, single test attribute, single value operator. Okay, so here salary is equal to 300. So as we have discussed, line by line the SQL will get executed. So wherever the value of salary is equal to 300, those rows will be identified. See here it is 300. This is 300. Here it is 300. So this row will get selected. So let's test what is the output of this. See here, Raghu ID is equal to 3, male, sex is equal to male, and salary is equal to 300. Similarly, we will test for greater than. So I think it is not equal, not needed. Okay, so greater than 300 means 400 and 500. Similarly, greater than and equal to, greater than, equal to, greater than or equal to. See here, so equal to 300 will also get obtained, and remaining all the values which are greater than and equal to 300 will get printed. Similarly, we have less than. So I think there is no need of using all these things. We will go for not equal to. So not equal to 300. Okay, so the rows whose salary value is not equal to 300 were selected, which is 100, 200, 400 and 500. As we have selected, as we have used star in our query, all the rows will get, all the columns will get printed. If you want to choose a specific column, then those columns can be presented here. Okay, so now the other symbols that can be used for not equal to. So there are different other symbols that can be used for not equal to. it is cap not equal to symbol is also used for not equal to, and the other symbol is less than and greater than. So all these three symbols will do the same work, which is not equal to. See, all the outputs are same. Okay, so these are some of the single value test operators in SQL. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.